look, I saw this on TikTok after my vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's vlog, I'm here at Greenbelt, I guess. Greenbelt nga ba to?
No, we're at Tristan.
We're at Tristan right now because we're just waiting for Greenbelt to open. So today, I'm gonna be Christmas shopping. And right now, I'm with my sister. She doesn't want to be seen in my vlogs. I'm also with my dad and mom. And currently 9 something. Still waiting na mag 10 o'clock. So yeah, see you guys. I saw this on TikTok. We're now at Uniqlo. I saw this on TikTok and parang pwede ka magpa-print ng sarili mong shirt on Uniqlo items. There. Ayoko pa masyado bumili here kasi sarado pa yung H&M and feeling ko mas marami akong mabibili sa H&M. So, hindi mo na ako masyado nagtitingin. And wala rin ako masyado nagustuhan pa. So, tadi sabihin mo kung inom ka tubig. Kapatong phone ko. Ano?
Bakit tayo naka-video?
Yeah, for my vlog. Now vlogging. Say hi to my vlog. Ayan. Gonna go down again. Love this. Okay, so these are the items I'll be getting. Kasi yung mga hindi ko kukunin. So, kunin ko muna siya. I mean, babalik ko. So, yeah. See you there. What dog? Bilhin mo yan ah. Oo. Yay. Ah, ito. Hello. They're paying na. Oh, it's so cute. It's just 800. Guys, we're currently here at Muji kasi may binili yung sister ko. And naikot-ikot na ako. Kasi wala. Wala magawa. Just my hair. I love it. Hey guys, so habang nagke-chem ako, the package I've been waiting for all day finally came! Open ko na nga yun. Yes, it is. Yes, this is it. So I got this from Hello Kitty Record Store. I'll put the link down below. They're from Facebook. And nag-order na lang ako sa kanila kasi if I order it directly sa store ni Taylor Swift, takes parang 2 months. Parang ganun kasi yung nangyari sa akin kay Olivia. So, feeling ko mas matagal pa nga daw actually kay Taylor if direct. So, if merong supplier and legit naman sila, dumating naman, mas better. So, ito na siya, guys! Ah! So, ito na siya. What's your current fave na Red TV song, guys? Ako ay From the Vault, the very first night. Like, kahapon, habang nag-e-exam, ulit-ulit siya sa utak ko. So, oh my gosh, konti na lang, magpapakanta na ako sa Zoom talaga. Oh my gosh! It's almost over. Yay! Oh my gosh! Yay! I-picturean ko muna siya. I love it. Wala akong makita. And then may track list here. Oh my gosh. Ay! Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. Ay, open! Wait. Oh, ayan. Yay! So it says, "Hi pal, thank you for purchasing Red Taylor's version. It's my greatest hope that..." Oh my gosh, hindi ko mabasa. "You might join me as we metaphorically and musically paint the town red." Okay. "Sending you my love, gratitude, and a scarf!" Oh my gosh. Oh, I can finally have something to put in my phone. It's the red tea. Oh, it's so cool kasi. And then there's this. I don't know what this is. Ah, yung natatayo. Cool. I don't know where to put it though, but it's cool. And then of course, the album and a scarf. Oh my gosh. And it has this. It's ano though, hindi siya yung pang winter na scarf. Para siyang pang Pilipinas lang talagang scarf. Yay! Ayan, dahil winter na. Winter! Sobrang lamig kasi ngayon. Oh my gosh! Oh! And then of course, let's open the album. Yay! I don't know where to play this though. Parang yung kay Olivia, bumili ako pero hindi ko naman siya naggamit. I think 2 CDs para dito. Hindi ako sure. Gosh, mahirap din ako magsalita dahil sa retainers. Yay! Ay, may gas-gas. May gas-gas. Ito nga ba? Yeah, it's 2 nga. Sira! Sira siya, oh my gosh. Okay, so I need to report this. But there it is. See you guys later or tomorrow.
I don't got much to give, so I hope you think